Hey everyone, I'm Topsy. Back in 2024, I left the Royal Navy to pursue my dreams of travelling the world. I'm a dive master and want to become an instructor, as well as become a skiing instructor. I'm a nerd who doesn't care much about making a fool of himself, and I love to try new foods and have fun. Since leaving the military, I've had so many amazing adventures that I've decided to share them, and now I'm bringing you guys along for the ride. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, why not subscribe to help me continue to bring you more fun videos just like this one. And as always, thank you for watching. Peace. Hey, I've not filmed anything today, so this is a bit of the first video. Obviously you guys already know that because you're watching it. But we're off to the second gym session today. Ben's running because he's been big and buff and strong. I'm running when we get there on a treadmill instead because it's easier. And I'm still fairly new to running, given that my first run was yesterday. New running shoes on. Pretty nice. They were about 20 quid, so I can't complain. Then off to a nice place for dinner. Should just a pretty chill one today. River chickens. Okay, we're back from, well, we're not back, we're done in the gym. We're now out and about. We're back at the lunch place for dinner. Going for an early dinner because Vanzine's got lessons, and then we're off for a salt coffee later. I've got a pretty nice looking dinner. So we're trying some honey butter crisps, and these ones are phenomenal. These are also very good, but they're the better ones. Oh, I forgot to get a video of dinner because I am absolutely knackered and was starving. I don't know what's going on with me today. All this fizzing's killing me off. But now we're at a place, just that cool little, I don't know if I've shown this, random little joint. And I saw these love fruitions. Get yourself a pair of them. Everyone's going to be jealous. My screen is greasy. Okay, we're off to the cafe to get salt coffees. We're going to look for some M&Ms for Lauren as well. My legs are tired, man. I'm real, like, just feeling it today. Physically just knackered. Can't wait to go and get in bed. Whew. But yeah, little salt coffee. I know it sounds weird to have a coffee before I'm going to bed, but caffeine's not that big of an effect on me, so I should be all right. Maybe watch some Daredevil. I'll probably read. I'm in a bit spoilers for Game of Thrones for anybody that's not seen it because you've been living under a rock, but I'm reading them, and I've just got to the bit where Robert Baratheon's just got back from the hunt and has been impaled by the boar, and he's probably going to die. Well, yeah, no, he does die. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, that's where we're at in a minute. Just getting her some M&Ms. Because she needs them apparently.
You have pudding. I want pudding.
Fill them in. Nashville. Stop. Terrible habits. Baby bus. The coffee was pretty delicious. How are your M&Ms? Just a nod. She's eating some of them. Headed back now. Gonna go and do some reading. Enjoying the book. So I'm tired. So get back, go sleep after a bit of reading. Should be good.